This is a 2016 Buick Cascada. A lot of people have been asking me, they've purchased a car or they have a Buick, how do you open the trunk? They don't see a button on the door. They've looked inside of it. They can't open the trunk without the key. See, on the inside of the door, there's no button. On the inside, there's no button. Here's on this side, you can see there's no trunk button. Even here, no trunk button. So let me show you how to do it. You go to the back of the car. This is where the back of the car. You see there's no button anywhere to open this car. There's no button. The way that you do it is you take your hand, push the button, you heard the click, and it opens. The trunk is open. That's how you do it.